So welcome to the ARM Embedded Controller Lab. So I will be explaining today to generation of triangular wave in the CRO by using the LP7768 kit. So first you have to go with project. So first you have to close the previous project. It's my first step. Then you have to project new micro version project. You have to open this. Then you have to give there is a file name. I given as a string string 1. I have to just give the string 1 is save. Then you have to go with here, just you have to type here LPC1768 LPC1768. you get it here directly in XP. You just click on this, say OK, say yes here. Yes. So see here there is a created target for one file. Then you have to open this. You have to get the source group 1 here. Again this you have to create this already start of lpc17.ss.s. this is a system file already is added. Then you go with file, then you have to select new, then you have to here this is a text box, you have to write the code here. I already have some code, just have to copy paste here. That is what triangular wave generation. This is triangular wave generation. This you have to generate the triangular waveform. It will be on period, it will be takes continuous, then you have to be off period is different. So here is you have to increasing the values, then after this you have to be again the decrease the values. This have to be continuous in the loop. You have to create there is a two while loops, one is on and one is you have to decrease in the period. This is you will be selecting the two files here. This is what your triangular code. So you have to save this file. Okay, save with the again file name is tring1.c. have to save because you have to, this is the file with the .c. I have to save the .c. After this you have to add this file to the your source group 1. You have to add some more files here. That's already triangle 1 dot you have to add here. Then you have to close. Then again you have to add for the system.c file, LCD file you have to add. Then you have to add for the system.c file also. This you have to add again one file, that is go to the desktop, you have a system.c file. Then this also add, you have to close this. This you have to save this and build the files. I am getting here 0 errors, 0 warnings here. So this code is everything is the built-in functions is correct. So nothing will be wrong in this. This is completely correct code. Then you have to save it. Then you have to go with target. Okay, say how to, this is 12.0 hex megahertz. Go with output, create hex file. This is the name executable is, this is the string1, this will be the name of the file. Say OK. Then you have to again once again this is the rebuild. You have to see here creating hex file. You are getting the creating hex file with this name. Then you have to window this, have to minimize this. Then you have to open the FlashMagic. In this FlashMagic, see this first pin is LP7768, next is COM3. This already this everything is same. Then you have to select the browse here. Browse this, then you have to select the triangular1.hex file. You have just open this file. This you have to create the verify after the long after programming. Then you have to come to the kit. First you have to set in the program mode. It will be in the program mode. Press reset. Then say start in this button. It will copying the your code in this here. It will be copied very clearly. It is uploading the kit. Then you have to come to the kit. Then you have to go to the execution mode, press reset. See on the your CRO we get the triangular waveforms. So triangular waveforms we see in the CRO. This is what execution of the triangular waveform in LP7768. Thank you for watching.